I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bored myself, then you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, step and you won't break.
Get into it. Like, it's literally melting into my skin. What's up, my J-Dolls and baby J's? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you can know when your girl posts. Today's video, as y'all can tell by the title, I am doing another hair review. I am working with Black Girl Magic Hair. So this is their Kinky Curly Human Hair Wig. The length is 24 inch and it's short because, you know, it's kinky curly. So really loving this wig. It's super soft, super manageable, and it just looks like my natural hair. Like, look at the baby hairs, and it is in the density 180, and I believe this lace is Swiss lace if I'm not mistaken. Get into it. Like, it's literally melting into my skin. I absolutely love this hair. It did tangle a little bit when I washed it because it's kinky curly. It did kind of like shed a little bit when I brushed my brush through it. I bleached this for I bleached it for like 25 minutes, and the knots took very well. Like, it took super well. But y'all, these curls are super soft. It feels like my real hair. It looks like my natural hair, but like, of course, a little volumer because my hair couldn't, even if it tried, you know. And these are the curls up close. I also use some of the Curlsmith products to put on my hair. So these are the Curlsmith products that I use. I've been using those on my real hair and I absolutely love it. So I just want to try it on this hair. I washed it with this product. I conditioned it with the product, and I also added their like styling curling cream. It's like maybe 95% dry. I tried to blow dry it on heat just to, you know, get it a little bigger than it was. So curls are so defined. Like, can y'all get into the curls? Like, I'm just loving this wig. I did not show y'all my way of plucking, but I really pluck this wig, y'all. So much hair came out when I plucked this wig because, you know, it's a thick wig. So I had to, you know, go in a little more than I usually do. So make sure y'all go check out Black Girl Magic Hair because it's really giving Black Girl Magic. I'll have everything linked down below. Coupon codes, the direct link to this hair. Pros on this hair is very easy to manage. I didn't get too much tangling on the hair. It was some tangling, but it wasn't like, oh my god, I'm finna throw this wig away. But I did get some. Another pro is I just love the curls. The curls really give that natural vibe. Like, you would really think this is my hair. It came out of my scalp. A con, and it's really not a con, but I really wish it was longer. That's just not a con on the hair. It's just a con on the length. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to watch the rest of the video so you can see how I installed this wig. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. So this is the packaging of the hair. It just comes in this Black Girl Magic hair box, and it is super cute. And what comes in the box is the hair, and it comes with this little Ziploc bag, and it just has your information of the hair on it. It just has 180 density and Mongolian hair, and it's also a kinky curly type of texture. And it also comes with a edge brush and a wig cap. This is the hair right outside the packaging. It's super curly, although I wouldn't recommend just wearing it straight out the box. The curls are cute, but it's just not my type of style. So yeah, this is the hair. This is the lace, and it has 3 combs in the front and then 1 in the back. And this is a 13x4 lace frontal, so not much space on the side, but it is a, you know, spacious middle part. And like I said, I did not do, you know, showing you my plucking and my bleaching method. I do have videos on my channel. Matter of fact, I just did one with Shein. I did their wig and it was absolutely amazing. So y'all go check that out. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna install my wigs like regular. If you like an in-depth video, I have those on my channel. Or I can just do a install based video where it's just completely the install only. If that's something you would like, just comment that down below.
Yo, am I white? Oh no, baby, smoke so much, don't need some fights. Me a nigga don't like, but acting like fuck all of y'all bitches, so they parties don't invite. That bitch that you wife, she so stiff. I've been getting money, so don't let really excite. Cardi bought a 6 and a 4 of the right lane. Damn that boy, asking for some more, I just fake. Yeah, that's that dirty, that's that dirty. That girl is locked in my face like she ain't tried to swerve. These boys I love in my lane, I swear they keep on merging. No, I cannot see a lane, cause my Rolls Royce got curtains. Woke up to niggas talking like me, talk. Woke up to niggas sounding like me, talk. Woke up to niggas niggas talking like me. Talk. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Talk. I woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Oh, I didn't like me. Then she like me. That bitch want to indict me. She can't find me. I'm like, daddy, up Sprite, please. With some ice, with my beating like a silly. Same purse, smiling, we got hella things. I'm in love with the guac, gave it a wedding ring. And that's why I had these shots before I got the fans. And that's why I had the Glock before I got the chain. I'm about to win 5 rules and I don't even bang. Shout out G, we in your L, yo, hold at the game. Shout out GG, that's my boo, she know that I claim. Shooting at these niggas like I'm in the paint. Woke up like this. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Talk. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Talk. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Talk. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Talk. I woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me.
I need an arm and leg.